Hello all, I'm back again. Sunday evening dinner. I'm cooking now. I did breakfast this morning. Now I'm doing a cooking tutorial for the evening. I'm going to do some escovitch fish. So this is the snapper, yellowtail snapper that I'll be preparing today, escovitch style. So basically I'm just showing what I do before I season it up, which is just to squeeze one whole green lime in cold water, which is what the fish has been in. And basically I've washed the fish already, but I just put the cold water and the lime, and then what I do after I'm finished is I take the knife and I pare each fish 2 times on each side. It makes the frying process nice, and it also allows for the oil to go directly into the fish. Okay, so stay tuned, and when we come back I will show you what I use to season the fish. Okay, here I am back with part 2. Excuse the music in the background, my husband is playing music. But this is the escovitch fish tutorial, so this is part 2. The fish has been washed with lime and has been sliced in preparation for seasoning. Here's the seasoning that I've prepared. In that bowl of seasoning contains salt, onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, and a little bit of adobo, and last but not least, Maggi fish powdered seasoning. 1 packet I've added, and I'm just going to take and apply the seasoning just like so to each side of the fish, making sure I get it inside where the slice is, and also making sure I get some seasoning on the inside. Okay, I'm back here. In the last video I showed you how to season up the fish, so now the fish is ready for frying. And basically I've went ahead and heated some oil, and there's a whole pepper in there and some garlic that has been in the oil getting hot. I put it in there. It's for flavoring, and it gives the fish a different type of flavor by putting in these things in the hot oil. So then I just put in, make sure the oil is very hot, because you want the fish to fry really well. You don't want to turn the fire up too high to make the fish burn. You want it to kind of slow fry. So you kind of turn the fire down once you put the fish in the hot oil. And you let the fish fry. Okay, so I'm back, and this is the finished fried fish. This is the result after it's been fried. And now we're going to do the escovitch part, which escovitch is our variation, I would say, is of ceviche, which simply means pickled of like any, I guess, onions, which is what is in here: onion, carrot, hot scotch bonnet pepper, sweet peppers, and some pimento seeds, which is allspice. And basically what we do is we put this over the fish. This was pre-prepared. I've had it in the fridge, so I mean, if you want to know how to make it, I can do a tutorial on that. So basically all you do is you put it on the fish like so. You don't have to put a lot, just enough to cover the fish. And basically that is it. That is what it's all about.